In this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in Clipchamp. So what you want to do is first have some audio. As you can see over here, I recorded 11 seconds of audio and imported it into the sequence or timeline. And then what you have to do is click on that audio, go up here where it says Captions, click on this, and then press Turn on Auto Captions. And then you have to select your language, which in my case is English, United States, and you can filter profanity and offensive language. Now, I did not use any offensive language in this audio, so I am not going to click this. And then all you do is click Confirm Settings, and it's going to generate your auto captions. Now, as you can see, and I'm going to play it for you right now, it's pretty accurate. Now let's listen. This is just some example audio on how to add auto captions in Clipchamp from Microsoft, and I hope this video helps you out great. Now, as you can see, it pretty much did everything correctly except for this word right here. I didn't say Clipjam, I said Clipchamp. So the easiest way to fix this is simply by going back to Captions, finding this word, and just simply replacing it. So it does not say Clipjam, but Clipchamp. Press enter, and out of there, and that's it. See, it now says Clipchamp, and it was corrected. And this is how you add auto captions in Clipchamp.